Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I am the founder of the Rideshare Hub. In today's video, we're talking about a new company for rideshare drivers that just launched. This is for rideshare and food delivery drivers. It's like a protection and benefits company. So if you're a driver and you want paid time off, sick leave, up to 31 days of income protection. So if you ever get into an accident, you ever get sick, you ever get hospitalized, you could get your income replaced of up to 31 days. So I definitely recommend choosing that 31-day option. By the way, if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. The company's called Cover. Before I get into it, I just want to say, if you do decide to sign up throughout this video, make sure to use my link. It's going to be the first one in the description. Fortunately, Cover did reach out and said, hey Dylan, you know, if any of your followers want to sign up for us, here, you want to give them 30 days of free, a free trial basically. You can cancel, pause at any time, no contracts, nothing. When you do sign up, they will ask for your payment information. I do want to be upfront with you about that because some people did ask. And you know, this is very common. Netflix does this, Amazon does this, Apple Music. Whenever they give free trials out, they just do that. So at the end of the 30 days, you will get charged unless you cancel it beforehand, which you can. But again, this is, you know, this is great. You can definitely try it out if you'd like. So, oh yeah, and I also did want to say this company, it's a new company. It was just featured on the Rideshare Guy. The Rideshare Guy, he's one of the leading experts in rideshare. He just interviewed Uber's CEO. They just wrote an article about Cover. They just had them on their YouTube channel. Dustin is driving. He's another big YouTuber. He just promoted Cover in one of his recent videos. Another gentleman by the name of Rideshare, or American Gigolo, whatever you want to call him. He just mentioned Cover in one of his videos. Steph on the Pedal just mentioned Cover. Rideshare Professor mentioned Cover. A lot of people are hopping on this and a lot of drivers are signing up because it almost sounds like too good to be true. And you know why it is? Because they just got $1.6 million in funding. They have a lot of money and they're trying to treat drivers super well at the very beginning. I know I can just throw up a screenshot of somebody who messaged me. He said that he got $300 from Cover for a sick leave. He had a day off, so he got $300 and they gave it to him within 13 hours of him asking for it. And the only reason it took so long was because he applied at 7 p.m. and they gave it to him 8 a.m. the next morning. So it was like overnight. I'm sure if he did it earlier, it would have been within a couple hours. So yeah, this company is great. And again, if you do want to sign up, you can use my link down below. I think it's only fair to even talk about it. So I'm going to jump into it and show you guys the benefits. This is the website right here. Again, if you want to sign up, just go to one of my videos. Link right here. Get 30 days of Cover for free. Funds, benefits, and protection for drivers. Plus a lawyer to get your account reactivated. Yeah, they even have lawyers on staff that they have connected to. Cover.ai/first/the_rideshares_hub. You just click the link. Much easier. Open it up. And here we go, guys. What is Cover.ai? By the way, it should have a little gift. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Let's see if it works. Rideshare Hub gift, 30 days for free. There we go. You receive 1 month of free membership from Rideshare Hub. So click accept my gift. Gift accepted. It applies at checkout. Here we go. Cover replaces 80% of your lost income when you can't work. Does this sound familiar? No, this is brand new. This is awesome. You get a free mileage tracker too, which those things usually cost like 10 bucks a month. So right then and there, you're already saving money because it starts at $7 a month. You get a click, get a quote. It works for any of these companies. If you work for Uber, Lyft, Amazon Flex, Grubhub, Postmates, Instacart, or Shipped, Winolo, or I don't know what that other one is. But big company benefits, income guarantee, sick leave, 24. I'll let you guys do all the research on this. But yeah, if you ever get temporarily deactivated, they report up to 80% of your income, I believe. Is that what it's gonna say? Stay healthy physically and financially. Basically, they just want to like cover the gaps between being an independent contractor and like you know, if you get sick, you should still get paid, right? If you get hospitalized, you should still get paid. If you get into an accident, 15 days. Get in an accident, this is the maximum number of days your income will be replaced. You'll receive wire transfer equal to 80% of your average daily income from the gig apps you linked for each day your vehicle is being repaired. So make sure when you do sign up, link all of your apps so that way when you do get into an accident, you can get that money. So basically everybody pays into a pool, and then once you need, you know, a day off, like once you, if you get into an accident or whatever, then you can, you basically take from that pool. That's how it works. 24/7 health, that's great too. Legal, tax, bookkeeping. I mean, they have some great stuff, but I think the best part is definitely the paid time off, and then the legal support too. So yeah, I guess this shows a little bit about them. Covert protects your downsides so you can focus on the upsides of life. Income is not guaranteed. Always on the road equals higher risks. I guess this is some of the downfalls of being a gig worker. But with this, income is guaranteed. So yeah, like I said, if you get into an accident, accidents suck. And what are you gonna do when your car's in the shop for 2 weeks? Well, with Covert, you still get paid your money. Like, you still get your income protected. If you go out and you make 300 bucks a day, guys, you're talking a lot of money. Even if you only make 100 bucks a day. So anyways, guys, that's the new company. Thank you for watching. Again, if you wanna sign up and get 30 days for free, you can try it out, no risk at all. Up to 31 days of coverage. It goes from 1 day of coverage up to 31 days of coverage. Put in your credit card information. You won't get billed until 30 days. So, you know, you can try it out, see what it's like, see if it's worth it. And again, this company, oh yeah, by the way, the company's also in Techstars. Techstars is, this company was also, I believe, this is also where Cargo came out of. So if you remember Cargo, which is now a multi-million-dollar company, they also backed, let me see if I can find it, Techstars, here we go. Let's see, portfolio, let's see if they have a portfolio option. Here we go, startups, can you click on startups? Portfolio, here we go. I think Cargo's in here. I believe Cargo was also backed by Techstars. ClassPass. Oh, ClassPass is also, there was also backed by ClassPass. If you guys know that fitness membership, they're huge. But I figured you guys would be more familiar with Cargo as well. Here we go, Cargo, yeah. So this Techstars also backed, or it's called an accelerator. So you go through a program and they help you. But yeah, Cargo, they're the ones to do the snack box. They partnered with Uber, so they're a huge company. I actually went into one of the Uber hubs and Cargo was there, and now they do the on top of the car ads. If you guys have ever seen an Uber driver driving around with the ad on top of the car, they're big in like San Francisco and LA. It's probably a Cargo, that's what Cargo is. So anyways, guys, that's the new company. Again, use the link down below, 30 days for free to sign up, check it out, try it out. No minimums, no commitments, no annual contracts. You can pause and cancel at any time. This is one of the top companies for rideshare and food delivery drivers right now. I definitely recommend hopping on and checking it out. Thank you all for watching. Have a great and amazing day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.